I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Frostpunk the board game. First, gather your components, the main board, generator, and resource tokens. Place the generator in the center and arrange resource piles nearby. Each player selects a starting scenario from the book, which guides initial setup and objectives. Distribute starting citizens and assign them to initial roles, preparing for the harsh winter ahead. This foundational setup is crucial for your city's survival. Each round of Frostpunk unfolds in several distinct phases, starting with the dawn phase and ending with the dusk phase. During the action phase, players strategically assign their workers to gather vital resources like wood, steel, and coal. You'll also construct essential buildings to expand your city and provide for your citizens. Carefully managing your city's discontent and hope levels is paramount, as these directly impact your ability to govern effectively and prevent collapse. Survival hinges on meticulous resource management. You'll constantly gather wood, steel, coal, and food to sustain your growing population. Ensuring your citizens are warm and well-fed is critical. Neglect can lead to widespread illness and even death. Enacting new laws from the law book helps you adapt to evolving challenges and shape your society. Don't forget to upgrade your central generator to extend its heat radius and protect more of your city. To achieve victory in Frostpunk, you must successfully complete the specific objectives outlined in your chosen scenario. This often involves surviving a set number of rounds, enduring the final, devastating storm, and maintaining a functional city with a stable population. Failure to manage critical resources, control discontent, or prevent the generator from collapsing will lead to defeat. The game offers several difficulty levels, providing a fresh challenge with each playthrough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.